at the amateur featherweight bout.
All right, this is my weight.
Uh-huh.
Sorry po. Ito na totoo talaga. The Monolicious May! Ref Low, ayos pa tayo dyan, Ref. Ayos lang si Ref. Umpisa na natin!
Laban na.
All right, here we go.
Napalaban din ng referee. So for John Ken, he's looking for his first win here in the octagon.
Yes, another debut fighter again.
Uh-huh.
Gotta love the respectful touch gloves. That was a beautiful low kick.
Oh, come on. You
This is it.
should have been looking
It's
down.
Done, it's done.
Should have
it's
been
done.
looking down.
It's done. What?
That's a record for Zeus
on?
Fight League. What was that?
Is going
8 seconds.
on? That
8 seconds.
was crazy. Brother saying he's okay to go.
Nope.
Nope.
The
Yeah.
referee's waving it off.
The referee's job is to protect the fighter. We're fighters. We want to keep going.
Yeah.
No matter what happens, we want to die on our shield. But
I mean,
yeah, look at him. He's not ready anymore. It's done.
Yeah.
It's done. That's done. Yeah, he turtled up.
I knew as soon as he looked down, that's the rule.
That's it. There we go. It's
Yeah,
done. There, see? That second
soon as
punch
he
on the
covered.
floor was as soon as he covered. Exactly.
That
You're not-
replay was brought to us by Leon Extra Strong Beer with that beautiful time knocked out from the Pretty Boy.
I really don't need a chair anymore, man.
Oh man, we're both standing up right now.
This is crazy.
I told you. Again, Albie, welcome. Well, he thought he was still ready to fight.
I'm never leaving Zeus.
Your winner. Hindi pa ako nakakaupo, may winner na. Your winner by TKO from the red corner, MJ Pretty Boy Maestrano.
He put everyone on notice with that performance. He didn't get hit at all. Boom. That's it.
I felt his confidence, you know, moving around.
The swagger.
The swag when he was moving around. He knew he had that. As soon as he looked down, he knew it was game over for him. Again, lesson learned. You know, when you throw a kick, never take your eyes off the hand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You gotta respect everyone in there, man. There's no such thing as a lucky punch. You're
We
trained
have
to
our
punch.
main eventer, the last Zeus Fight League, Kimbert Alintoson,
In the corner.
with Coach Ron Gav over there from Alpha One.
So you can see this young
Congratulations,
man has a good team.
For MJ Pretty Boy Maestrano. Pretty Boy.
That was
Congratulations, MJ. Mabuhay ka. MJ, so for our interview today, we should take a look here dito sa ating widescreen TV, no? They will cut to your winning moment. Tayin lang po natin. Okay ka lang ba? Excited? Parang hindi ka rin pinagpawisan.
Hindi, chamba lang.
I don't think chamba yon. So hinihintay lang natin yung feed no, ng replay. Habang hinihintay natin yon, what was going through your mind nung nakita mong bumagsak yung kalaban mo?
Hindi, dapat nga, di ko nasusuntukin kasi sabi pagka na daw, wag na eh. Pero hindi kasi inawat ng referee kaya sinundan ko pa ng isa.
So, okay. So, maliban sa pagiging pretty boy, isa ka palang good boy. Okay. Good boy na pretty boy. Okay? Ready na ba yung feed natin? Oh, kiss. Wag naman ako. Sinong gusto mo i-kiss? Okay. Panoorin natin yung replay. Dito tayo. Atras tayo ng konti para makita natin, MJ, no? So, anong tumatakbo sa isip mo nung natamaan mo siya? Paano ba nangyari itong sequence na to?
Kasi yung nakita ko na mas malapit na, ay mas malayo ako sa kanya, stance ko na yun. So, binigay ko yung back leg ko, tapos nakita ko open yung guard niya. Kaya ako siya in-straight. Ayun nakita ko siya doon. Yung pagkasipa niya pa lang, nakababa na yung guard niya, kaya sinundan ko na ng straight.
Okay, pero dun sa replay, mukhang sinuntok mo pa siya ng isang beses.
Kasi hindi pa inawat ng referee.
Okay, so medyo good boy ka lang pala. Medyo good boy na pretty boy. Again, your winner by TKO, MJ, the medyo good boy, pretty boy, Maestrano. Congratulations, brother.
Sobrang crazy.